Students Internship Program at 𝐷 𝐤𝐻 on Sustainable Development Goals by Department of Biotechnology, Graphic Era University, Dehradun. As a part of 1 month internship, 10 students from Graphic Era University's Biotechnology Department, under the guidance of Professor V.P. Unyal and Professor Manu Pant, undertook 2 key projects at the 𝐷 supporting Sustainable Development Goals, the Recycling Yard and the Solitary Bee House. The Recycling Yard is a testament to nature's ability to regenerate. Natural recyclers like bacteria, fungi, and invertebrates break down organic matter, turning waste into nutrients that enrich the soil. Fallen leaves, often seen as litter, were repurposed here into a thriving compost system. The students created a habitat for decomposers like earthworm and beetles. This enhances soil health, supporting the forest nutrient cycle and fostering a healthier ecosystem. The second project, the Solitary Bee House, addresses the decline of these vital pollinators. Using bamboo canes, the students built nesting sites to attract different species of solitary bees. This initiative boosts local pollinator population, promoting plant diversity and ecosystem resilience. It also helps in raising awareness about the importance of protecting these often overlooked insects. Through these projects, the students have left a meaningful mark, enhancing habitat resilience, promoting biodiversity and conservation. 𝐷 now stands as a model for sustainable ecosystem management.